Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of PHP Travels with Qasim Hussain. So in this video we will be learning about the watermark or maybe the powered by Linkback removal. So on your website, when you come at the footer, there is this option PHP Travels, and when you hit that, it takes you back to our website. So it's only available with the enterprise package. You can remove this option from your website. If you're using a startup package or agency package, it's not possible to remove the Linkback, but with the enterprise package you can do that. And how to achieve that, how to remove this powered by Linkback, here is the guidance. So once you log into your website, to cPanel, let's go back to the public HTML and then navigate to app, and from app click on views. From views we have this option, this file called footer.php. Edit the file, expand the text, and then we have this powered by text over here. You can see that. So you just need to delete this area with the small tag. Just delete it and hit the save button from the files, and once you save that, you will no longer see the powered by Linkback on your website. And please remind, this is only for the enterprise clients. Any other clients will do that, and that may be result to the suspension of their license. Thank you for watching the video.